Hey there Insta fans, welcome to Create, Login and Delete. Today, we're talking about the one and only Instagram. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, we've got advice to help you navigate the app. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about how to get the reply option on Instagram. Sometimes this little guy goes missing and you're left scratching your head. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Just make sure you've updated to the latest version of the app. Try restarting it. It's like turning your computer off and on again, but for your phone. Now, what if you're missing Instagram notes? Did you write your crush's phone number and now it's nowhere to be found? Don't fret, we've got your back. Head to your profile and tap the three lines. From there, select your activity and scroll down to the bottom and click on download information. You should be able to find your missing notes there and restore them after a few days. But what do you do if you forgot your Instagram password? Oh no! Did you forget your birthday, the dog's name, or ex's middle name? It's okay, we're not judging. Just go to the login screen and tap Forgot Password. Enter the email or phone number associated with your account. And Instagram will send you the link to reset your password. And if you don't have access to that email or phone number, don't worry. Click on Need More Help and follow the prompts to reset your password. It's like a magic wand for your digital life. And what if you can't remember your username as well as your password? Don't worry, we've all been there. Just head to the login screen and tap Forgot Password. Enter the email or phone number associated with your account, and Instagram will send you the link to reset your password or log in to your Instagram. So you can simply log in or reset the password from there. Lastly, we've got a fun tip to share with you. Do you remember we messaged first on Instagram? If not, don't worry, we won't tell anyone. Just head to your direct messages and open any conversation. You can notice the Wi-Fi icon in the top of the screen. Simply click on it and it will automatically scroll to the top of the message. Please do remember that you might have to click on the Wi-Fi icon multiple times if the conversation is too long. And please do remember that this is applicable only for the iPhone users. And finally, you can notice that within no time, you're in the top of the conversation. Brings back memories, doesn't it? That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. And as always, let us know in the comments if you have any other topics or questions you'd like us to cover. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And we'll catch you on the next one.